Assalamualaikum, my dear viewers. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another beautiful tutorial. Today we're using a rectangular shawl. Now this shawl is a little bit of a shorter one. It's not as wide and it's not as long, but you work with what you have. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a chiffon with blings and it's so beautiful. And I couldn't help resisting that I had to share this really nice style with you. It's a flowy style. It's got the really look of elegance to it, and I want to share it with you today. So I hope you're going to stay with me and see how I got this really pretty look. And on top of that, we've got full coverage. So that's a bonus, you know, when we use a scarf and we get full coverage. It's absolutely gorgeous and looking so beautiful. So please do stay with me and let me show you how I got this really beautiful look. Well, my dear viewers, let's get right into the tutorial. Today I'm wearing my Ninja for coverage. It matches nicely with my top, and this is the shawl. It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. But my dear viewers, it's not as wide and it's not as long. So we're going to work with what we have, and it's a simple wrap, and it's very easy. But it's sophisticated looking. It's gorgeous. So stay with me. Let's put this together. I hope you're really excited to see what that look, how easy it is to get that look. So here we go. We're going to take a very short side. We're going to bring your scarf right to the very end of your cap or whatever it is you are wearing. And for me, I'm wearing the Ninja, so I'm going to put some pressure. I'm going to fold this in, and when I put that pressure, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a stick pin and put it right here. And then I'm going to bring this under here, and I'm just going to pin it right here, just to one side. And I'm going to use a little safety pin. And see, because I'm wearing my Ninja, I'm able to pin it on there. So we've got that pin. Now on this side, because I want a really nice flowy look, I'm going to just put a stick pin right here. Work with me. It's easy, simple. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the back end of the scarf and I'm going to bring that under my neck. I'm going to bring this over. And as I bring it over, I have a little fold with it. And again, what I'm doing, I brought that, I'm going to bring it here, see that? So while I brought it around, I'm going to give it a little stick pin right there. And I can use one of the longer ones. And then, see that so far? Then I'm going to bring the bottom end of the scarf and I'm going to bring it on this side so that I've got coverage. And then I'm going to tuck this under the side that I brought around. I'm going to tuck it right here and make sure it's tucked nicely and neat. And I'm going to use another longer stick pin. My dear viewers, what we've done, look at that. We've brought it around. We've got this really beautiful flowy look. We've got coverage and making sure that there's a scarf in the back. We've got lots of scarf. See, we've got scarf in the back. We've got scarf in the front. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And we've got this beautiful flowy look. And everything is in place. Now, if you want that to stay tucked like that, you can actually use a little pin, one of those headless pin, and just tuck it right here. And it will give you that little bit of a look there. You've got your ninja, you've got your coverage there, and this is absolutely beautiful. Now, tell me what you think of that. How was that? See that? And there you go. We're done. Absolutely beautiful, quick and easy. It's not difficult at all, my dear viewers. It's absolutely stunning. So please make sure, look at that. Look at how the pleat falls nicely, and look at how it's sitting so beautifully there. And we've got full coverage, my dear viewers. We've got full coverage, and it's absolutely stunning and beautiful and elegant and just fabulous looking. It's beautiful. I hope you're going to try that. I hope you like it that much that you're going to make sure you try it. Please, my dear viewers, and if you like what you saw, do hit the like button. Do leave me a comment, please, please, please. And if you like it, share it with your friends and family. It's important to share, my dear viewers. When we share, we get the blessings for sharing. If a sister gets the desire to put the hijab on, or gets help with her hijab because you've shared it, then we would have done our bit. So please, let's do our bit. And my dear viewers, when I look at the YouTube is it's a fantastic platform, and it's so sophisticated that it tells you, so most of the viewers are not subscribers, and I don't understand that. You've got so many views, and they're not subscribers. So my dear viewers, it doesn't take very much. Do hit the subscribe button. If you like what you're seeing and you're visiting often, please hit the subscribe button, and do click on the bell icon and take off the all, so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Well, it is the holidays time, and I must do my bit in sharing with you that you must do your bit in staying safe, taking care of your families. The most important thing is that the family's welfare in front of everything else. So please do your bit to stay safe. And I know we all have our families, and we want to visit, and we want to have dinners, and we want to, celebrate this festive season. But please, the important thing is to stay safe. So do your bit. And my dear viewers, while it's the holiday time, please don't forget your Creator, because without Him we are nothing. So please do remember 𝗙𝗁 in your every moment, and stay close to Him, so that when trials and when tribulations hit you, then it will make it easier, because you have the faith and that 𝗙𝗁 is there with you. So please do stay close to 𝗙𝗁. And with that, I'm taking your leave, and I hope you're all going to do your bit as I do my bit. This is Naz saying Assalamu alaikum.